Have you heard about DAMA visa? I suppose you have not. Guys, this visa comes with a very low requirement and more flexibility, and it allows employers in designated areas in Australia to sponsor both skilled and semi-skilled overseas workers. People are moving to Australia via this DAMA visa. It is not very popular and it is not very common. There are 13 designated regions in Australia that has been assigned to sponsor overseas workers, both skilled and unskilled, to move into Australia. Another good part of this visa is that it is a route to permanent residency. This is real and this is taking people to Australia. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you what this DAMA visa is and what it is all about. I'm also going to be showing you which profession qualifies. There are lots and lots of profession that qualifies under this visa route, and I'm also going to be showing you the 13 designated regions that can sponsor you to move into Australia. You can decide to choose any of these regions to move into, and each of these designated areas have their own specific occupation list. So once you select any designated area of your choice, you have to go through their occupation list to be sure that your occupation is actually eligible. I'm going to be revealing to you these 13 designated areas, and you're also going to be able to access the link to each of their websites so that you can view each of their requirements, weigh them, and see which one best suits you personally. So guys, before we move right in, please do well to like this video. It encourages me a lot and I really appreciate your support. And if you're new to this channel, you're welcome. Please do well to subscribe, join this family. And for those of you that have joined my membership, I really appreciate you for your support, and I hope I'll be able to make a video for you before the month runs out. Thank you very much for your support. Please do well to share this video with your friends and family. So without further ado, let's get started. We are currently on the official website of the government of Australia, so I'm bringing this to you directly from the horse's mouth. DAMA visa means Designated Area Migration Agreement. This visa route is a formal agreement between the Commonwealth of Australia and a designated area representative, that's the DAR. And a DAR may be a state or territory government or regional body. So the government has segmented different states into different categories, and they've been given the go ahead to sponsor foreign workers to move into Australia to fill the various labor shortages they are currently experiencing. So for different designated area, there are different requirements because their labor needs are different. So you can see that under this visa, the designated area may be able to access a broader range of overseas workers than is available through the standard skilled visa program. So the purpose of this visa is to make it easier for the designated areas to access overseas workers more than the skilled visa route. The skilled visa is not as easy as this, because a lot of you have written off Australia, like it's difficult to enter and all of that. Please, I want you to discard that mindset, because Australia is a lot easier now to go into. This DAMA visa is like a pilot program that runs for 5 years. So these are the list of the 13 designated areas currently. I'm going to attach this link to the video description so that you can go through each of these 13 designated areas. Each of the link to the different websites are in front of it. And if I have to cover it one after the other, this video is going to be too long. Please go through the eligibility requirement for each of the designated areas. Go through their occupation list. So for instance, let's look at the very first one together. So this is the South Australia. You can see move to South Australia. So you can see the DAMA enables South Australians employers to sponsor skilled overseas workers for positions they are unable to fill with local workers. So employers experiencing skills and labor shortages can apply for endorsements to enter into a DAMA labor agreement. So it's your employer that is going to sponsor you. This is another designated area called Orana. This is Orana DAMA. So this is the occupation list for Orana. You can go through it. Let's go through the list together. So here you can download the copy of the occupation list. There are 129 occupations for Orama alone. So you can see that the list is massive. You can see bricklayer, bulk material, some of these designated area. In fact, South Australia just updated their occupation list yesterday, 15th of April 2025. So you can see a lot of occupations are eligible: account clerk, aged disabled carer, caregivers. This is an opportunity for you to rush in. Carpenter, chef, chemical, computer network and system engineer, cook, construction project manager, dairy product maker, delivery driver, dental hygienist, dentist, driller, engineer, emergency electricians, fitter, food technologies, forklift driver, the fruit and vegetable packer, a lot, skilled and unskilled. Guys, this is a long list, and this is just for one of the designated areas. So just explore. This visa route is loaded with a lot of information which I cannot exhaust in a video. So if you have any question, please drop it for me in the comment section, but do well to make your own research so that the burden will not be so much on me. But if you're stuck at a point, you can just reach out to me in the comment section. It's easier for me to respond in the comment section than the email. So for those of you that have sent me an email and have not responded, I am very sorry. Please give me a reminder. I'm going on 1 week break by next week, so I hope I'm going to be able to attend to it. The visa route you're going to be using is visa 482, visa 494 and visa 186, so that you'll be able to convert to permanent residency when you get to Australia via the DAMA visa. So those are the visas you are going to be using to convert to permanent residency. So I may not be able to go through the job sites where you can find these employers in this video because it's getting too long, but please search for these employers on Indeed Australia. A good number of them will post their job positions on Indeed Australia, and make sure the employers you are sending your applications to are the ones within the designated areas. So I'm also going to be doing a follow-up video showing you more job websites where you can reach out to these employers within the designated areas. But tentatively, please go to Indeed Australia and search for those employers within the designated areas you are going to. So send your CV to them, apply to those jobs. It's more than what I can cover in a video. So guys, please go to work. If you have any question, drop it for me in the comment section, and I will see you in my next video.